Good guys, what's good? 1 second, let me just send out the link to everybody in the app so everybody can join up. Good guys, what's good? 1 second, let me just send out the link to everybody in the app so everybody can join up. In the crib today, I bet send this out real quick. Let me share my screen before I forget actually. Yo, they picked the stupidest thumbnails ever. Gotta create some thumbnails now. Yo. I bet we gonna let some people hop on this. TV in the back so I know if you have any questions. That's what I'm saying, not the thumbnail. It's good, Zay. Let's wait for a couple more people. Let me see who's on. 4 people watching. All right, but yeah, man. So this is our weekly markup for the week. It's gonna go over some pairs that we can trade through the week and see what we can do. Hopefully, we can get some bread today. I mean, this week. Hopefully. Obviously, send in y'all charts. Want me to go over anything, just send in y'all charts and we can go over that. Any questions, just stop me throughout the live and then we can go over any questions you have as well. Just waiting for a couple more, 3 people watching. Yo, Zay, how you like the app so far, bro? You been scrolling around through it? All right, bet. All right, cool. So I'm already late to the party. All right, I'm just gonna get it started, guys. So I always like to start off with my GJ. Hold on 1 second. All right, bet. So this is GJ. All right, so overnight, when London hit, it did a big drop. All right, I don't know. I think it was Carlos. Carlos said so. Let me check real quick. I think me and Carlos was talking about a potential buy on the mid level. Yeah, there you go. What do you think? 1395. Word. So that just teared that mid level apart. It even hesitate at all. It just ripped through it. Okay. All right, but so like I said, the market opened over here. All right. It could have stayed, like I was hoping for it to stay on this mid level. I was hoping for it to stay on this mid level, but obviously just ripped through it. Okay, I was looking for something like this. Something like this. Boom. And then kept going. But I don't know if y'all know anything about Brexit, but there's a thing called Brexit. There's a deal. We can actually look it up real quick. It has to deal with GBP pairs. I think they're still deciding on whether they want to pass any laws with it or not. Let me see. That's why like GBP is so weak right now. I'm gonna check the strength real quick too. Tools. Yeah, see, so GBP, all GBP pairs has been down since yesterday because it had a big drop. All right, I was actually expecting GBP pairs to be bullish this week to go for straight buys, but it's mad bloody over here, bro. It sucks. Especially I'm a bear too. I mean, not a bear, a bull. But kind of missed this move over here. Like during New York, I kind of wanted all the nonsense to pass first, but I forgot this is all in balance. So big candles like this just ripping down, right? Just straight right candle just ripping down or going up in green candles. That's called big manipulation. You can learn more about it as you go on with this course in this program, but everything has to get filled. So I forgot all about that. So this big candle right here, I forgot that had to get filled. So when he came back into this mid level, I mean not mid level, this major level, right? It hesitated 3 times. What time was this too? 4:15. Yeah, I was asleep, so I was even on the charts. I was even trying to trade this because I saw the drop. I was like, I bet I'm not even gonna trade this. But yeah, so apparently at 4 o'clock, right, it did 3 wicks and then it consolidated between the mid level and the major level. Anybody have any questions so far? Let me just check real quick. I bet. Um, but yeah, it was just consolidating between the major level and mid level, and then it finally broke through. So once it broke through, this resistance still didn't hold. I mean, this support didn't become. I mean, this resistance didn't become support. So it broke through the resistance, came down. It did not hold. It did not wick any part of this mid level. It just went straight through it. So if you guys were in, I don't think anybody was in this. To be honest, I'd even that's not even the right way to do it because you're not even supposed to get in on the drop. You're supposed to get on dips. Um, but yeah, that was a big drop. So this is kind of making its way back up to the upside. So what was it? But yeah, like I was saying, it was consolidating, came up, broke through the resistance. Okay, now in order for this to be support, I had to wick out, right? I had to wick many times and just hold. I had to hold on top of the mid level. So it obviously didn't do that. But that's why I say if you waiting for a candle to come to a certain price, right? You just want to wait until the candle closes. So every 15 minutes, like I'm on a 15-minute chart, every 15 minutes each candle forms and closes. So you want to wait until the candle close. So if it just comes all the way down and this is still fluctuating, right? On top of the mid level, you can't just enter it because it's just on top of the level you wanted to buy it at. You need a big rejection or multiple wicks on top of that mid level in order for that to hold. In order for that to in order for you to buy that. You feel me? So you just want to be very very careful with that. You just want to be mindful of the price and what price is actually doing. So obviously it didn't do that, right? Once it came here, right? You could have bought it over here too. As you can see, there's a wick and then the green candle going up. But even for me, like I don't even trust this because number one, right, it was on a big drop, so that could be just a lower high being created, right? It's still on a downtrend. You got to be mindful that it's still on a downtrend. So you want to follow the trend you want to follow the trend always. All right, so it's still on a downtrend, so that could have easily been like a lower high, or just came all the way up like it did over here and retested that major level. So in order for me to get into this right now, like it's kind of doing right now, right? I wanted all this nonsense to be like covered, right? And it did just that. Okay. Like the real reason I didn't want to get into this is because it could have did this, boom, and just go down, right, lower high, and then cut down. You feel me? So I didn't want to experience that. So right now, right now we just need this to hold this major level. All right. So for tonight, right, this major level needs to hold. All right. So once it comes down, maybe later. What time is it? 3:25. 3:25. So the market's about to close in a few hours. So once it comes down, like later on tonight, going into London, as to hold here, maybe do a big gigantic wick or multiple rejections on this major level for it to hold as support and continue going up. All right. But now let's go on a bigger time frame to see what's going on for real, for real. Yep, that's the plan, guys. So the plan for tonight, going into London, that major level needs to hold, right, and then continue going up. But you guys have to be mindful because there's something going on with Great Britain about there's a war, something going on with them. I gotta do more research. It's called Brexit, a Brexit deal. They're still having a tough time deciding on what to do with that. So that's causing a lot of uncertainty between GBP pairs. So that's why it's like all red, right? It's supposed to be like going up because I was planning for GBP pairs to go up during the week because you see how it just held on that mid level, right? That's what me and Carlos was talking about. Me and Carlos was talking about this mid level holding and continue up, going into London, going into London to yesterday, but obviously did a big gigantic drop and then it just messed all of us up. Whoever's in that trade, I was in that trade. I want to cry. It's all good though. We go get it back tonight. But that's the plan for GJ, guys. Anybody have questions on that before I move on? Anybody have any questions on that? And whoever's new, bro, don't be like scared of what I'm saying, cause you gotta learn all this once you get started within the community. So I'm just going over some setups that people already like have some knowledge of what I'm doing. So don't worry, you gotta get what I'm saying pretty soon. But anybody have any questions on GJ? Anybody want any pairs I gotta go over? Any certain pairs y'all want me to go over? No. All right, word. All right, I'm just gonna keep going. GU. All right. Similar to GBP, JPY. Okay. Actually, let me go on a bigger time frame real quick. All good. All right, cool. So GJ's on a resistance right now on a major level. So, but it's still bullish right now. So, could do one or two things. All right, now we just need this mid level to hold. All right, wait. Actually, let me do the first thing first. It can either just rip through this major level, continue going up, or come all the way down like it's looking like it's about to do. Test this major mid level, and then keep going up. All right, but if it does break like this mid level, then 9 times 10 is gonna keep going down. All right, so because the strength is still red on all pairs, strength is still red on all pairs, so it's like mad weak right now. So it could just break through this mid level, come back and retest. Like if you see this break, right, and then it comes back and retests on this mid level, then 9 times 10 is gonna keep going down. You feel me? Going into London or whatever. But if you see a break, that's why I gotta you gotta watch the candles and watch the price action. If you see a break and it just comes back up again, you just gotta watch out for that. You feel me? Because this is still not confirmed as a resistance yet. It's still support of a sort. You feel me? So once it breaks and just comes up again, right, and retests this mid level, all right, that's called a dip, and then you can buy that dip and then keep going up with it. For me, and then just jam your stop loss like 10 pips, like I usually do. Like right there would be straight. Because if it breaks that mid level, then there's no reason to be in that trade no more. So I should be straight. It's still ranging. Like if it gets stuck in this, it might just keep going all the way down because it was ranging over here too. It might do the same reaction. I don't know. Because if it wasn't in the range, like right now it's still in the range. If it wasn't, like over here, it came down. This was supposed to hold. So in order for it to break out of that range, this is supposed to hold and it come all the way down. And in case I don't know what a range, what I'm talking about, a range is like a big consolidation with trends in them. So this is a 4-hour chart. All the candles are condensed into like one candle with 4 hours in them. So what I mean by this is like little trends, like higher highs and higher lows, going on top, going all the way to the top of a major level or a price point, and then just come all the way down and make its lower lows and lower highs, and come all the way down to a certain price point as well. And it just keeps bouncing around like that. You feel me? Until it breaks to the upside or the downside. You feel me? But however, like trading ranges like that, you got to be mindful of the trend you're in too. So like in case you want to hold a trade while you're in a range, right? Like right now we're in an uptrend, right? So we're still in an uptrend. So if you want to hold this, let's say like you don't care about you don't want to exit out at the top. You just want to keep entering when it gets to the bottom. All right. I don't know why you would do that, but let's just say you wanted to do that and just keep kept holding your trades. You would have to hold it for the buy only. All right. Just because you want to play it safe, and just because you want to play it safe and just trend is your friend. All right. So when we're in an uptrend, you want to go for straight buys. All right. Obviously in the range you can go for buys themselves, but you're in an uptrend overall. Like if you want to hold it, you will have to stay in a buy. All right. Hopefully it breaks out. Right. Ranges is 50-50. So you're pretty much gambling, but you have a higher chance of getting the trend rather than like the counter trend. You feel me? So once it breaks out, then you should be straight, comes back down and retests, and then keep going. So this is what it's kind of doing right now. All right. So it broke out at one point, but it didn't really hold. So it just came back down. You feel me? So it could try to do the same thing overnight, or it could just keep staying in that little range right there. You feel me? But like I said, a lot of uncertainty with GBP pairs, right, because of Brexit. So that might just be the case. It might just keep going up and down, up and down. I'm not complaining though. That's pretty easy money though. I'm not gonna hold you. Just buying at the top and selling at the bottom. That's pretty. I mean, buying at the bottom and selling at the top. That's pretty easy to me. So, um, but let me know what y'all think. Any questions on that? AUD USD NJ. So it's not a problem if the candles hit the mid level. What do you mean? Oh, not really, because the mid level, as you can see, right, the mid level still plays a factor. It'll still react to the mid level, but it's not really a big factor because, as you can see, it's in this big range. It's in bigger range. So if I dumb it down to the 15-minute, yeah, the mid level is going to be a factor, but it's really not going to hold that much. So was it a factor over here? Yeah, it was a factor over here. It was just hovering over it for me. Actually, not really. Yeah, nah. That's what I'm talking about. Like, if I dumb it down, you see the mess in between the ranges. It's not even appetizing. You feel me? It's not even worth it to me. Um, yeah, this looks crazy. But so not even all the time it goes to the major level, on top of the major level. Now all the time it goes on the bottom of the major level. So that's why I said like ranges, you just want to wait for a breakout. Um, this could have been a breakout right here, but a double top. I remember this day. Yeah, so this would have been a good example of a breakout. So obviously this was in a range. Could have been a breakout right here. This didn't hold, right? it was consolidating above the major level. So once I saw consolidating above, right, I thought it was gonna keep going up because the support it seemed to have held. You feel me? But it double topped over here, and I think on the 4 hour, right, this is one of the mistakes I made on the 4 hour. Right, I saw that this resistance was a factor in the past too, right? Like recently, not recently, but in September. So it was a significant resistance. I didn't peep that. I didn't scroll all the way out. Right. That's why I say like every time you get in trade, just make sure you scroll all the way out and see like if there's past resistance or support that could be like affecting your trade if it goes up or down for me. So so yeah, it was just ranging about between here and then it just broke down, which it happens. So that's my plan for GU. All right. Hopefully it breaks up. Right. I really just wanted to break up like right away, but who knows? It could just Asian fade down, like during Asian, just fade all the way down. Right. And then we can get a good entry going up, maybe come 100 pips for the night. All right. But yeah, can I move on? Any questions on GU before I go on to AUD USD? Questions? All right, but AUD USD for my boy Ethan. What you looking for on this, bro? Did you trade it at all on tonight? Last night? I have nothing marked up. I don't trade this at all. My fault. But we can mark it up together though. So before I even go over this, what are you even looking for on this? Like, let me know. Let me know what you're looking for, bro. And then we can go off you. You sold it right now. What you mean right now? No way. Why'd you sell it for? You don't see the time, Brody? You don't see the time, bro? The market's about to close. You playing a dangerous game right now. I'm blue right now. All right, player. Now let's see what you're doing though. All right. Ooh. Let me see. Did you double top real quick? Oh, okay, okay. I don't even normally go into. I don't even look at the charts after 12, but you probably see something different. All right, cool. So why'd you sell it? 274. 74 what? Demo council. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, you just practiced. All right, cool. But what's your thought process? Why'd you sell it, bro? 74. It looks like it was just consolidating above this too. So let me check the strength before anything. AUD USD. All right, cool. I mean, it's on an uptrend, so maybe you saw consolidating over here too. That's why you sold it. Because for me, it's still on an uptrend. Well, it was on an uptrend, a big uptrend. And then just consolidating. I don't trade AUD USD. It looks crazy to me. There's no trends on this joint. Looked like he was selling. Cause he saw red, he was selling, bro. Nah, you gotta have a better reason than that, my boy. For me, I see like the only reason I see it to sell is over here, and it came to the same spot over here. But yeah, AU's kind of weird. Overall, it's an uptrend, but like inside this nonsense, there's just no trends at all. First off, it looks like it's ranging right now. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this, bro. Honestly. This looks crazy. Maybe looking for a pullback. I don't know. Yeah, bro. I don't even know what to do with this. No funny. I'm not gonna hold you. What was the other pair? Because like this looks weird. Is this a cross? Is this a major pair or a cross? Let's go see. Some major pairs, resources, major currency pairs, Aussie dollar. All right, weird. It is a major pair. Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, bro. Nah, I don't know what to do with this, my dog. For can you look at AUD CAD? Word, I got you. All right, so AD CAD. What did you do with it, bro? Let me see when the market opened. Overhead, did a dip. All right, let's mark this all the way up. What'd you do with it, Jonathan? Did you buy? Did you sell? Were you looking for it? You looking for it in the future? Looking for a buy soon. Word. Maybe I was looking for a buy soon. All right, cool. I bet. Where you about to buy it at? Cause I could see a potential buyer soon. So it came down. That's a come up top here. 1 second, but let me think this. Full downturn. Mm-mm. 95 flat. Got you right now, bro. 95 flat. 15. Okay, I see why you did that. All right, weird. So what you're doing right now, you trying to get into a role reversal. You gotta be mindful of the time too, because the market's about to close. So you don't want to get into any trade really when the market's about to close. All right, it's gonna just move slow and then it's gonna move walkie on you. So you gotta be careful. So I don't think this is gonna hold right here. To be honest with you, I think it's gonna keep going down, maybe all the way down here. It could possibly be double bottom. Feel me? So 0.94600 is also a place you could look at. All right, cool. What's the name? So cool. Yeah, it was on a big downtrend, bro. So in order for this to like keep going up in an uptrend, you had the right idea, but obviously it just broke just now. So it's not really valid right now. But you need this to hold. So this consolidation, right? This consolidation right here. This could be used as support and resistances too. For me. So on top of it can be support, and then on the bottom of it, it could be support as well. All right, so what we actually need, right, on top of this consolidation is this. So like with anything else, right, you need consolidation on top of it. So this just broke. So I think it's gonna come all the way down here and test out this level again. All right, let me just zoom out again. Is it in a range? Yeah. Yeah. So it might come all the way down here, bro. Cause over here did the same thing. All right. Over here, kind of did the same thing. Feel me? But you gotta be mindful. It's on a downtrend right now. So can I fib this real quick? Let me see. Oh, this looks like a clean fib. Hmm. Nah. Yeah, bro. So just watch price, right? Be mindful of the downtrend because you are in a downtrend. Okay. So just be mindful of the downtrend and just see what price does. So this is what you need. Exactly like you need similar like this. You need some sort of consolidation on top of this. 94600. Okay. Or make it even better. I think 94600. And then you can do one or two things. You can play like aggressively, wait for consolidation, and then buy on a consolidation. Or you can play it safe and just watch the trend go up, break, like it just broke here, break. Now has to round off, right? And just come down and retest. All right, you get that, bro? Ooh, I haven't looked at AUD pairs in like never. Kind of gave me a headache, bro. But yeah, but you get that. This is my opinion on AUD cat right now. Let's check out the strength too. Make sure you use the tool section in your app too. This is like where you use the strength index to see if the trade is gonna go in your favor strength wise. Okay, so AUD CAD green. Green means bullish. Interesting. Oh wait, because it was just bullish. It was just bullish. A few hours ago. But yeah, bro, do you get that? Do you get how I did AUD CAD? You get how I set it up? You have any questions on that? But if it be touching 0.945, it's not like I'm looking at the past. I know why you're saying that because it's a mid level, but oh yeah, it could touch here too. All right, let me just see real quick. Yeah, that could be an option. But nah, not even like because I don't know. I just like the way I trade. I just want to clear everything out first, like clear all the nonsense out first. Feel me? So if it comes all the way, like if it does all this, bro, comes all the way down, does this thing, comes all the way down, and does this, I don't like 910 is gonna keep going down. You feel me? Because at that point, it's gonna have strong momentum going down. So like, unless like you see a lot of consolidation, like this is where you really gotta watch on price. So if you see a lot of consolidation on this mid level, then you can maybe I don't even don't buy it because it's on a downtrend. So you need to see consolidation over here, and then this is what you need to do. So once you see consolidation right here, you need to wait for the up and then come down and retest. So that would be the role reversal. All right. So the roll right now is down. So in order for it to reverse and become bullish again, right? You cannot buy in a downtrend. All right. So once it comes up, breaks this resistance, right? Because it was worth resistance, breaks this resistance, comes up, retest at support, all right? Then you're straight for the roll reversal and you're straight for the buy. You feel me? That would be a good indication of it going back up. Yeah, I feel you. I'll be cautious. All right, word, bro. Word. So you like AUD pairs now? Like, are you still trying to like see what pairs you like best, or you found like some pairs that you kind of sticking with? Ethan, you had another pair to go over. NJ is much better. That I could read. But yeah, Jonathan, you heard me, bro? I think it's a 20-second lag. This John sucks. I might have to invite y'all to a Zoom next time. Let me know, guys. You want to do a Zoom like to actually talk on the mic so you can get quicker answers, or y'all like the YouTube? You like the YouTube better? Let me know. All right, but I'm gonna go to NJ now. My boy Ethan, ZDJPY. All right, let's clear all that nonsense. Hop on the 4-hour. I bet straight off the bat, I see an uptrend. Oh wait. Oh, we had a major level. Ooh, 74 flat. We had a major level right now. So major level, major resistance. As y'all can see from the from the left, right? It was around that major level, right? Kind of breached that. So this is like the highest it's been since over here. So we're at a major resistance. What to do? Are we reversing or not? Let's mark this up more. All right, where? Mid level. All right, word. So NJ is ranging right now. Whoa. Wait, hold on. Overall uptrend, current downtrend. All right, overall uptrend, current downtrend. Now it looks like it's just bouncing around. What is it bouncing around between? Investigation. So NJ is not really doing much. Well, right now, like since the market opened, when did it open? So boom, right when it opened, it just started consolidating between this major level and this mid level. So since we're in a downtrend right now, right? The current market is downtrend. So we're going for straight sells. Like I don't know if you picked the bias yet, Ethan, but right now if you're like a bear, this will be kind of good for you. Right? Right now it's 50-50 right now because it's consolidating and you're just ranging out. But you're still in an overall downtrend. All right. So what you could wait for, all right, is wait for the up on this mid level, okay, and then wait for consolidation on the bottom of it, and then continue going down. All right. Or you can just treat this, put a range on that joint, put a box around it, and just wait for the break going to the bottom or breaking this major level, which I highly suggest you do better. I don't because this it's not even like near the major level. You feel me? So it's like it's kind of on it's in its own little world between these two levels. So what's my path at? So you need this complete break of that major level, continue going back up, and then head down. All right. I'm noticing like trades are starting to play out more during New York. I don't know if it's because of like seasons, because I'm pretty sure like every month, like during not every month, like every season, like during different seasons, the market tends to move a little different. All right, so I don't know. Like I've been trading for like 6 months, so I haven't even did a full year, so I'm not really sure. But from the other people I've been watching, they keep saying like seasonality, seasonality. So I'm probably gonna do some back testing this week to see like what they really mean about seasonality. Like, does it really move slower or faster, or I don't know, like hawkish, like wilder? I don't know. I don't think what they mean, but it's looking like stuff is just moving slower. Like usually, when I put trades in going into an Asia session going into London, right? They usually boom by the time I wake up. That was like in the beginning, the beginning of what? It's when I quit. I forgot the month. April, May. I think it was March. Yeah, beginning of March. Yeah, my trades was booming like right after, right like when London hit. I put my trade on before London, and then when I wake up, my shit hit TP. So now that don't happen anymore. Now it plays out during New York now. So I'm wondering if I should trade my pairs a little bit differently now, like maybe setting up during London again, because I was doing that in the beginning, like in April, doing London session and just setting up my charts and my pairs during London and just executing in London session. So I might go back to that again. How do y'all feel about doing like a London session? Yeah, y'all can stay up for that. If I do a London session, would y'all stay up for that? Cause I'm not gonna do a London session with like two people on there. Like, I mean, I'll do it actually. Who cares? Like, if y'all really want to learn, stay up late at night, see what the market really does in the most volatile time, in the foreign exchange market, then let's do it. So just let me know. Just let me know, and then we can get it popping. I'm not even gonna say I'm not gonna do it with two people. I'm gonna do it. Well, whoever says word, yeah, I bet we doing London sessions then. So I'm gonna see how the market moves tonight, and then we go determine if we should do London session for New York, or we can do the New York session too. Yeah, we go do some sessions, some session lives, some live sessions. What am I saying? Some live sessions now. So I'm gonna talk to my partners, and we go come up with a schedule, see who's doing which. I'm sure you're tired of seeing me on the lives. Let's get somebody new on here. But yeah, let me go to my other pairs. GA, like everything is starting to like do a role reversal. So this is what I mean. Like maybe we could just draw it out real quick. So this is what I mean by the role reversal. In case y'all like confused with what I'm saying. Actually, let me just do it on a blank chart. Of course, I'm in that. Word. That's fresh. Bet. Load up. All right, bet. So this is what I mean by a role reversal. In case y'all are like wondering what I'm saying, and it's kind of like a little confusing, especially for the new members. All right, just pretend this is your major level right here. Why don't you just color the line? Mid level and then major level. All right, bet. So let's just pretend we're in a hole downtrend. What was it at? Was it at? Was it at? Was it at? All right, word. Pretend we're in a whole downtrend. All right. So obviously, we're gonna go for straight sells in the downtrend. If you're a bull and you go for straight buys, you're not trading this at all because you recognize that the market is currently in a downtrend. So you're not risking your money at all, trying to like force your money into buys, and then you see like, oh, it's trending down. You feel me? So that's just like putting yourself in a bad position to go bankrupt. You feel me? So you don't want to do that. You just want to go with the trend. So in case, right? What's the name? Not in case. So if you're like me, you want to go for straight buys and you're looking for a bullish market where you can go for straight buys, right? This is what you need to see. Like after a huge downtrend. So after it did a huge downtrend, right? This is what you need to see. Consolidation, right? This will usually happen like during slow market movement, like maybe right when London closes, like after 12. Or obviously Asian session between 7 and 12 p.m., 7 p.m. and 12 p.m., right? This will occur. And then this is what you need next. I feel like I'm repetitive. Like, it's pretty much the same with everything, you feel me? You just need a break, right? If you need an uptrend, you just need a break, come all the way down, retest, and then you need to see some type of blue. I mean, not blue, some type of green. Once you see that type of green, and then all that rejection you need, then you're straight. Obviously, go back and check the strength meter as well. All right. So if I was trading GJ2, right? This, right? I just need the first currency pair is going to be on your left. The second is going to be on the top, median in the middle. This will need to be green and a positive number for me to enter that trade. All right. So what was I? All right, word. So it needs to be consolidating. All right, this is called like a 1, 2, 3. So you need consolidation. That's the one. What's my text? This is the one. The second is the breakage or the higher high. All right. If you're going for a buy, you would need a higher high. So the second is a break. Actually, let me be more specific. Second is break slash higher high. Number one, consolidation. And then number three is going to be that higher low or that retest. Retest slash higher low. All right. So 1, consolidation, 2, the break, and then 3, the retest. And then you're all the way to profit. All right. So that's pretty much it for me. That's how you identify a reversal. In case y'all was wondering, like I keep saying row reversals. So that's how you identify a row reversal. Anybody have any questions on that before I go on to the next pair? Yo, do me a favor, like this video real quick, like the live. And it's only gonna help us, bro. Just give it a thumbs up real quick. I love y'all forever. But yeah, is anybody any pairs y'all want me to go over before I hop off this? I'm probably gonna go over a couple more before I even hop off anyway. All right. Let's see what gold do. The hell? Oh, word. Again. Fire. That's what I wanted. Like, gold was doing a whole lot of nonsense. I missed this entry over here. All right. I was waiting for another entry over here, this buy zone, but it didn't come down deep enough. I needed it to come like more. It was just like chilling. I kind of should have known it was in the zone where it was recently consolidating. So I could have. Nah, hell no. Nah, could nah. I'm not doing that. I just wanted to go all the way down to the buy zone. All good missed opportunity, and then it was just floating in the air between these levels right here. So I wasn't really messing with that. So I was like, you know what? Let me just make sure. Let me just clear this out. So I didn't really look at GJ. I didn't really look at gold last night, but now I look at it right now. It just cleared. So I might be straight for the night, man. I might be straight. That's litty. Um, yeah. So as you can see, this was a pretty significant level over here, right? A lot of rejection over here. Some action over here too. Okay. So 15-minute, boom. So what I need right now, it's kind of good on the 4 hour. That's dope. I did a big rejection on the 4 hour, so that's pretty dope. But actually on the 15-minute. So tonight, right? I think I need to trade gold in New York session because that's when it really moves. So I cannot even London this. So I gotta wake up early like I usually do, but earlier. Like I gotta be attentive. So I need to see what the price is doing. But hopefully, like gold just been chilling until the like when 8 o'clock, 8 or 9 o'clock hits, it just zooms. So I can show y'all real quick too. Yeah, this was days. This was nonsense. See how this is why I didn't trade it like all those days. But but yeah, what time was this? 8 o'clock, 9:30, zoomed up. It started zooming up at what 8? What is 8 o'clock at? 8 o'clock, a big gigantic wick, and then start going up. You feel me? So was another big move at this move right here. 10 o'clock, 9:45. This one right here, 6:45. I just got to be up. I'm about to be up at 7. Normally, gold moves at 8, so we gonna see what that do. But this is my plan. All right, it's kind of making a lower high. I'm kind of scared. But like everything, I just need consolidation on this major level. Just need that to hold. Once that holds, then I can buy it going into New York session, not London, New York, because London be moving slow with gold. I've been noticing too. So I'm gonna wait for this for New York. EUR USD. This is the one. This is the one. So let's write it out real quick. Uptrend, clear uptrend. All right. Highest has been in a while. All right. But it can reverse at any time. So that's another scary part. But it's been trending up decently. So my plan right now is bearish right now. Okay, it's making this lower lows and lower highs. See, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. All right, so it can very much do this, lower high. So I could still buy it right there for me. So wait, actually, hold on. Nah, never mind. Forgot bearish. Hmm. I definitely want to buy this, but I don't know where. I gotta figure this out. Because it could be here, or I could just clear this whole thing out. What's the best move? What's the best move? Because it's making beautiful lower lows and lower highs. So I don't want it to like just sit off this and make a lower high and then just dip down. So this is what I'm gonna do. Where I'm gonna play this aggressive and then swap at the same time. So I'm gonna buy it. Once I see rejection over here, it starts trending up. I mean, not trending up, and it starts showing sign of bullishness, like price is going bullish a little bit, I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna jam my stop loss. So instead of like a 10 pip stop loss, I'm gonna just like if I see a little bit of green after like 30 minutes and it's like up here, I'm gonna just put my stop loss at break even, just to be very safe. Like in case I don't know that, I'll show you that in another video or some other time because it's on the MT4 app. But I'm just gonna put my stop loss at my entry. So as soon as it like goes up like a calm 10 pips, I'm gonna jam my stop loss and I'm gonna see how I want to do because over here was significant, right? And this is a major level too as well. So and also I have a bias against US dollar. I feel like it's gonna keep going down. It's gonna keep losing strength. So with that being said, like putting that all together, right? I think it's gonna continue going bullish. What y'all think? Cause boom, happened over here, right? That's like the first plan. Like if you want to be safe and not do what I do, okay, just like I said, clear everything out. Actually, yeah, you have to play in the mid level. So boom. Yeah, sure. I'm buying that again if it does like break all that, I'm buying that again. So I'm gonna have another entry. 2 entries running and then take it up to the next major level. Let me scroll all the way up. Let me just make sure because I don't want no nonsense, no like unnecessary double tops or whatever. Like there's nothing on the left. Damn, man, this really was. Does this retest at all? Cause this consolidation. So in case it doesn't, like I'm noticing this major level didn't retest. Hold on, let me see something. Nah, I didn't retest at all. Oh, shit. So like I said, like all the major levels must retest, guys. So this could be like the last up it goes and then comes crashing down. But like I said, we gotta see what price does. It could be happening right now. Who knows? The hell is that? Yeah, you just gotta watch out for that. But nah, like all signs are showing bullish right now, so you just go play that major level and see what it does. It's all about watching price action. So let's see how that do. But that's my last pair, guys. Is there any else I want to go over? Any questions y'all got for me before I hop off this? Any questions, guys? Comments, concerns before I hop off this? All right, but if y'all do have any questions, like later on, if y'all just think of something, just hit me up in the community or that or DM me within the app, and then I'll just answer your question right there and there. All right. So yes, my plans for the week, not for the week, but like for the upcoming night. All right. Did I even say anything for the week for GJ? Nah. To be honest, this week I'm just gonna see. I'm just gonna play day by day. I'm playing everything day by day this week. All right. But yeah, it's my pre-market setup, guys. I hope that helped you guys see the charts a little different. All right. Hope that helped you out with your pairs as well. All right, just hit me up in the app if you guys need any help. And yeah, I'm off this. Safe.